guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you what I ordered off of ELFcosmetics and Amazon. You guys, I have not opened it at all. They're not open. Like, I actually waited. Amazon came in first and then ELF came in second, and I was waiting for these two to come. I was gonna do all three, a April BoxyCharm video and then these two, but BoxyCharm deserves its own video. Yes. So, yep. So the first box I'm going to open, I think I'm gonna do the Amazon one first. I'm gonna try to not make this too long, you guys. I promise, but well, not even promising because I ended up doing it long anyways. Show you what I've got here. Yes, you guys, I ordered this on purpose. Just kidding. No, I didn't. It goes on the floor. To start, I ordered a eyelash case. Every time I'm out and about and we have like a kind of a long drive home, I just don't want to be like, I just can't wait to like take off my lashes when I get home. So I mostly, when I'm out and about and we're about to get home and I'm just tired, it's the end of the day, and I take off my lashes, I always try to put them in its case, like right away. And I do clean them and, you know, take their glue off and stuff like that. But sometimes I make the mistake, and I say mistake because every time I leave them out, they get dusty and stuff. And sometimes I just don't like wearing them like that, and I gotta clean them all over again. So I bought this beautiful case. It's like an eyelash case, and I like, there was a pink one. I don't know what other colors. I only focused on a pink and black. And I absolutely love it. So as you open it, let me see. And I like it because it has a mirror. So I guess, you know, if you have like three of your favorite pair of lashes, you can, you know, just store them in here. And this is actually good. Instead of taking each case on its own with my lashes of the ones that I think I'm gonna wear, you just don't know what kind of lashes you're gonna wear with what kind of look. Like, all lashes go with like a certain kind of look. It's weird. But anyways, you know what? I'm just gonna take this off. Oh, wow. I love this, you guys. And it's very plasticky, very sturdy. Like, I absolutely love it. And it feels kind of soft. I don't know how to explain it. But I'm in love with this thing, you guys, because like I said, I'm gonna carry this with me in my purse all the time. The only thing that probably is gonna suck is that once I put them in here, and if I have 2 or 3 pairs, I mean, I have a feeling this thing's just, you know, it's gonna go in my purse, it's gonna shake everywhere, and all lashes are gonna be like mixed. I think that that's the only downfall to that. Hopefully this works out for me. But if anything, I mean, I'll probably just put one set of lashes at a time, just because, I mean, why are you gonna have so many? Unless you're traveling, yes. But anyways, yeah, you guys, it has a mirror right there, so I don't know if you guys can see. But anyways, I'm excited to use this, guys. I really am. The next thing, I forgot what was in here. What did I order? Oh, oh my God, okay, I remember now. These are like, these go in your car, you guys, like on the back seat, and you just connect it. It's like a humongous trash bag. Well, it is a trash bag. And the reason why I bought this is because when I'm on the go and doing makeup and, you know, like weddings, quinceañeras, all that good stuff, I always carry a plastic bag with me to throw all the trash in. And I don't know, it looks kind of weird, like having, like, it's not a see-through plastic bag, but you still can see the junk. Like, it's weird. So I decided, this is another one. It was like 2 for 1. So I decided to buy this trash bag for my kit. You know, whenever I'm doing makeup, just whatever the, you know, the little spoolies or that lip stuff or the sponges when I apply a foundation or whatever, just throw them in here instead of throwing them at people's houses. I don't like to do that. I'm like, I don't know, I feel weird. Like, I've had a couple friends that I've done makeup for, and they're like, oh, Jen, don't worry, like, I'll throw it here. And I'm like, no, it's okay. I know it's just trash. I know, you guys, but I don't know. Like, I want to get, you know and feel like I got together. But yeah, so yeah, this is pretty neat, you guys. For those of you who are freelancers, it's neat. And then on the bottom, trying to open here. On the bottom, it has a humongous opening, so you could just dispose of your trash. I do put, I already have one in my car, because you never know. But I did put a plastic bag in there, like just a regular, you know, groceries plastic bag. So that way, when I'm in the car, it's a different story because of whatever you're eating, and it, like, let's say your napkin is all like full of mustard or mayonnaise or whatever, and I would feel weird putting it in here and it's like all stained and stuff. So I just put a bag and put everything in there in my cart. Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool that I have one in my cart. So that's that. And then, you know, guys, I thought this bag was gonna be a little bit smaller. Like, oh, now I'm thinking that I might return it. But they're these humongous bags, you guys. I don't know how I feel about this, but you know what? I'm thinking out loud, you guys. That's exactly what I'm doing at the moment. I got it for the purpose of my kit, to put a bunch of, you know, of my stuff in here instead of carrying like a huge box. And excuse me, they're pretty big actually. I mean, look at that. Like they're not, they feel like, uh-oh, we're already having an issue already. Darn it. I guess it just has to be worn out or have, you know, makeup in here to kind of get it a little bit bigger. But I like them because I could just store like foundations or palettes. That way it's not just, they're not, because right now I have this makeup train case that my palettes are too big. Like this is the biggest one that I have by Morphe. It's a 24G Grand Glam. Guys, you guys need to get your hands on this if it's still on the site. Because I know it wasn't gonna be there for long, I think. Unless that's another palette, I don't remember. But anyways, I mean, like this one probably doesn't fit in there, but there's other palettes that I do have that I can just fit in here, and there's 3 of these. So there's 2 more in here. I'm just not gonna take them out because one's enough to show you guys. But, but yeah, I like throwing things, just throw them there. But yeah, it's pretty big, you guys, and that's what I was looking at. As I was looking on YouTube of girls, you know, who do makeup on the side or have their business and their kit, the kit that they put together. I saw one of the YouTube gurus have baggies like this, and they had a bunch like their wipies, their palettes, their foundations, their correctors, their highlighters, their every little thing that you can think of. Excuse me. So I decided to get this. The only thing that does have like a plasticky scent, like it's really weird. Like it has a really weird smell. No me gusta, I don't like it, but I'm gonna air them out and just kind of like, you know, but so far so good. I guess I need to, well, after I'm done here, I'm gonna go get my train case and kind of rearrange my stuff. The only thing I don't like about this though, that, you know, I've thought about cutting it, but I don't think I should, that, I don't know if you can see, like there's a zipper. Look at this little, like, it just, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm scared that it'll grab, like the zipper, you know what I mean? Like the leftover of the plastic as they were like stitching it up or whatever. But other than that, I mean, and then I like that you can see all over, you guys. Like it's not just like, I saw other bags on there that there was clear here and then it was black all over but clear on the sides, and I want to be able to kind of look down if I were to have like little knickknacks in one of them. But yeah, so I thought that was really neat because I saw, like I said, I saw the ones and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna get it. I'm just kind of like looking at it right now because I did not open it at all. But those are that, and that was my Amazon stuff, you guys. And next, it is my ELF. So the reason why I went into ELF to buy stuff was because I saw on Instagram this girl had this little ring ELF light that they sell on their site, and oh my god, like I fell in love with that thing, and I'm like, you know what, I gotta buy this. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the ELF Glow on the Go selfie light. This is what I saw in there with one of the girls using it, and oh my goodness, I was like, I need to have this. Like, I need to get it. I take a lot of selfies. I'm always posting my makeup looks online. Oops. I'm always posting my makeup looks online and like my clients and stuff. So, oops. So yeah, when I saw this on one of the Instagram feeds or whatnot, look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see, but wow, there's 3 settings. I haven't seen this. I'm like so excited. So that's 1, that's 2, and 3. Oh my god, like, are you serious right now? Okay, let me see. 1, that's okay. 2, that's okay. 3. That is not that bad, you guys. OMG, I'm so excited to use this. I really, really am. I'll probably like take a selfie like after this, and then I'll just, you know, you'll see it like right now. Anyways, this, I know, like I said, I'll post everything down in the description box down below so you guys can see and know, like if you guys want it, you can get it. If you don't, you will know. But I forgot to put in the, I'm so excited for this thing. Oh my God. The next thing that I bought is the it's ELF Beautifully Precise Precision Eyebrow Dual Brush. I love these things, you guys, because you never know. Like, I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep this for myself or keep it in my makeup kit for all my clients, which I think I might do because I don't have one. Brush is really good, by the way. This spoolie too. It's the number 203, so that should be neat. So that's the other thing that I got. Then the third thing that I ordered is Matte for Matte Eyeshadow Palette Dual Pop. And it's all different colors, you guys. Oh my gosh, I've never seen ELFcosmetics come up with anything like this ever. But they come like this, you guys. It's neat. The packaging is really, really neat, and it's very sturdy, so you could just take it wherever you go. I have colorful palettes. Like I just got that Morphe 35B colorful palette. Hello. And look at that, guys. Like the colors are really neat. This color right here is more of like an orangey, and it probably looks red on camera, but I love these. Like I'm excited to use these because I've never seen ELF come up with colors like this, you guys, like ever, like at all. So I'm pretty excited to use these, and I'm gonna have to do a tutorial on this. But yeah, those are the three things that I bought. And then I guess, I didn't know, I thought it was gonna be one gift with purchase, like one little thing, but I got Aqua Beauty. It comes like 3 in this little package. It's Aqua Beauty, okay, MOLTEN? Yes, liquid eyeshadow, oh, nice. Brushed copper, and then a radiant gel lip tint. I've never tried those. I've never kind of cared for them, but hey, this was a gift and I'm gonna try. And then the next thing is an Aqua Infused Blush and Bronzer. I had these before, you guys, but it's been a while since I actually got one, so let's open this thing. I like the packaging. The packaging is different. I love it. Oh wow, this is different. Like it's usually white. I know, I sound like a little baby. And then look at, wow, that's like very pink, like reddish pink, guys. Like, so can I take this off or no? Because of my nails, I won't be able to take this off, but I'll tell my husband. But yeah, you guys, that's really red. I think I would use that, not even as a blush, I was a eyeshadow, because that's super pink or red. Like, yeah, like the way you see it is what it is. It's really neat though. I like it. I like the mirror. The mirror's neat. And then I'm gonna test these on my hand. I'm gonna swatch them real quick just so you guys can see. Okay, get out of here. Well, this is neat. It's very tiny. This is the lip tint, so I'm just gonna try this on my hand. And it's very light, you guys. I mean, it says lip tint. And the last gift that they gave me is, I ripped these things, dude, hello. I ripped these things because I'm not gonna return them, like they were free. And then there's that, Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't know about this, but it's pretty though. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at that. It's very shiny. I probably use this as like my brow bone in the inner corner. That's pretty though. Kind of looks like a highlight, but it ain't. So, but anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, this unboxing with me video. I ain't gonna do that. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, you guys. Hit the like button, comment, let me know what other things you guys want to see. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, on my social medias. Like I said, I'm still working on Snapchat. I'm not sure, but it'll come soon, I promise. I already have one, I just gotta put my stuff down there. So, but yeah, I hope you guys have a very good day, night, morning, evening. I don't know what time of the day you're gonna watch this, so y'all have a good one, and thank you for watching. You guys have a very good day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.